Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a slow cooker taco soup. This recipe is quick and easy for you if your life is busy and on the go and you still want to have a healthy meal. Slow cookers are honestly one of my favorite things because all you have to do is prep your food in the morning and then throw it in the cooker and it's ready by the time you get home from work. So let's get started with the ingredients. So first you need a pound of ground beef. This is ground beef from my personal farm that I brought from home. However, you can get extra lean ground beef from the grocery store along with any of these other ingredients. So you need a pound of ground beef. You need one 16-ounce can of chili beans, one 16-ounce can of kidney beans. I got chili beans that are kidney beans just so it stays with the chili bean kind of movement. One 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn. One 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 cups of water, one 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and one 4-ounce can of green chili peppers, and then finally a package of taco seasoning mix. Now let's start the prep of the meal. First, we're going to take a large skillet, put it over medium heat, and we're going to brown the ground beef until it's fully cooked. As you can see, our beef is now fully cooked, and so now we're going to move it to the slow cooker and add all our ingredients to that. So you're now going to take our beef and put that in the crock pot first. So simply take it and pour it in there. Set the skillet aside, and now we're going to add the chili beans, kidney beans, tomato sauce, corn, tomatoes, all the other ingredients. So we're going to start adding all the other ingredients to our ground beef, which is in the crock pot. So I'm going to start with the chili beans. Be sure to have the liquid as well. Now add the kidney beans with liquid. And then add your corn, your whole kernel corn with the liquid as well. Add your tomato sauce. And then add your water, 2 cups of water. Next, add the tomatoes, your diced tomatoes. Your green chili peppers. And finally, your packet of taco seasoning. Now, be sure to take a spoon and mix it all together, blending it well. Once it is mixed well, this is what it should look like. And now you're going to place the temperature of the slow cooker on low and set it for 8 hours. Place the lid and leave it be. Now you can go on with your day and not have to worry about dinner later because it'll be ready by the time you make it home. This meal is also considered to be a very healthy meal because it can provide 10 servings, and each serving it includes 220 calories with 3 grams of fat, 30 grams of carbohydrates, 6 grams of fiber, and only 500 milligrams of sodium. And to make this a full meal, you can go ahead and add some baked tortilla chips with it, apple slices, and a glass of low-fat milk. So there you go. Get out there and make it, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.